Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Huawei Watch GT4 with an iPhone. First, you'll need to download the Huawei Health app from the Apple App Store. Once installed, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Then, power on your Huawei Watch GT4. Open the Huawei Health app, tap on Devices and select Add Device. Your watch should appear in the list. Simply tap to pair it. Follow any additional prompts to complete the initial setup process. Once connected, your Huawei Watch GT4 offers a wealth of features. You can personalize your device by choosing from hundreds of watch faces available in the Huawei Health app, tailoring it to your style. The watch accurately tracks your daily activity, including steps, distance, and calories burned, helping you stay active. It also provides continuous heart rate monitoring and comprehensive sleep tracking, giving you valuable insights into your overall well-being and helping you achieve your fitness goals. Your Huawei Watch GT4 seamlessly integrates with your iPhone for notifications and calls. Within the Huawei Health app, you can enable notification forwarding, ensuring you receive alerts for incoming calls, text messages, and various app notifications directly on your wrist. You can conveniently decline incoming calls from your watch without needing to reach for your phone. Additionally, the watch allows you to control music playback on your iPhone, offering a truly hands-free and convenient experience throughout your day. To ensure the best experience with your Huawei Watch GT4 and iPhone, always keep both your phone's operating system and the Huawei Health app updated. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. For continuous data synchronization and reliable notifications, make sure the Huawei Health app is running in the background on your iPhone. If you encounter any syncing issues, a quick check of your Bluetooth connection often resolves it. Dive into the app settings to discover even more features and personalize your health journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.